The rise of quiet luxury, fashion's new status symbol in 2025. In 2025, the term quiet luxury has become more than just a buzzword. It's a full-blown fashion movement, redefining how we perceive status, wealth, and taste. Unlike the loud logos and flamboyant designs of the past decade, quiet luxury is all about understatement, quality, and timeless elegance. Fashion houses like Loro Piana, The Row, and Brunello Cucinelli are at the forefront, crafting pieces that speak volumes, not through branding, but through fabric, fit, and silhouette. This movement is a direct reaction to logo fatigue and the performative nature of fast, fashion-driven social media styling. Instead, quiet luxury embraces minimalism, heritage craftsmanship, and the power of looking effortlessly expensive. Its influence has reached every level of fashion, from runway to retail to the digital cashmere, organic cotton, untreated leather, and rare wools dominate collections. These aren't just textiles, they are signals of intentional consumption and refined taste. The tactile sensation of high-quality fabrics becomes a part of the wearer's identity. Pieces are tailored to perfection, often in neutral palettes: camel, ivory, navy, and charcoal, ensuring they can be worn season after season. This is slow fashion at its finest. Fewer pieces, more longevity, and a clearer sense of personal style. Consumers now seek out fashion items, not to stand out in a crowd, but to communicate restraint and connoisseurship. Quiet luxury tells the world, I don't need to prove anything, I just know. The rise of quiet luxury has also triggered a shift in the influencer economy. Traditional influencers who built their followings on extravagant hauls and branded collaborations are slowly losing traction. In their place are stealth wealth influencers, those who favor capsule wardrobes, low-key elegance, and thoughtfully curated style. Their aesthetic is aspirational in a subtler, more sustainable way. The fashion podcasting space has also pivoted to meet this trend. Now, listeners crave breakdowns of brands with hidden legacies, deep dives into traditional tailoring techniques, and conversations about the philosophy of dressing well. Visual storytelling in this trend often centers on muted tones, natural light, and highly textural imagery, perfect for podcasts supported by fire poster illustrations. This new wave of fashion is more inclusive and democratic than it might appear at first glance. While some associate quiet luxury with extreme wealth, its core philosophy is about intentionality, not price tags. Even fast fashion retailers have adapted by offering limited, elevated capsule collections that reflect the same aesthetics: clean lines, solid colors, and versatile silhouettes. Consumers are more informed, investing in a few standout pieces that they can style in multiple ways. In a digital world flooded with options, quiet luxury offers something rare: clarity, calm, and timelessness. It's not about shouting. It's about whispering in the language of elegance. And that whisper is being heard louder than ever in 2025.